Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to solve question number 2, paper 31 June 2022. Question number 2, expand 2 minus x to the power of 2 all to the power of negative 2 in ascending the powers of x up to and including 2x power 4, simplifying the coefficients. This question related with binomial expansion. 1 plus x all to the power of n is equal to 1 plus nx plus n minus 1 divided by factorial of 2x squared plus n minus 1 n minus 2 divided by 3 to 1x to the power of 3 and so on. Let's start now. Expand 2 minus x squared all to the power of negative 2. The first term is not 1. So you have to take 2 outside common. If you take 2 outside common, its power is negative 2, don't forget. Then, if you take 2 outside, this means we divided both by 2. Divided by 2, divided by 2. So when you divide it by 2, the first term will be 1. Then divided by 2 will be 1 over 2x to the power of 2. Now we'll apply binomial expansion form. 2 to the power of negative 2 is 1 over 4. The first term is 1 plus n. Where is n is negative 2, n. And the x is negative half x squared. This is the second term. Plus n, then n minus 1 divided by factorial of 2, which is 2 times 1, negative half x power of 2 all to the power of 2. I asked it to up to included x squared, so it's enough because if you expand this term will be including x to the power of 4. Simplify the coefficients. It's 1 over 4. 1 negative negative is positive. 1 2 will be x squared. Simplify, cancel 2 with 2. Negative negative is positive. Cancel 2 with 2, so 3 divided by 4, x to the power of 4. Simplify, the first term is 4th, second term is 4th, x squared, and the third term is 3 over 16, x to the power of 4. This is the final answer, simplified. Now we look at part B. Part B, state the set of values of x for which the expansion is valid. In general, when we have 1 plus x all to the power of n, this expression is valid when x between negative 1 and positive 1, like this. Or we can write modulus of x is less than 1. So the coefficient now is 1 minus half x squared, 1 minus half x squared, all to the power of negative 2. This part between negative 1 and 1. So if half x squared between negative 1 and positive 1 multiplied by 2, so x squared is more than negative 2 and positive 2. But for x squared, this value have to be positive all the time. So you can write the modulus of x is more than or less than root of 2. Or we can write it x is more than negative root 2 and less than positive root 2. So the range of x where is the expansion is valid.